I'm going to be showing you how to format external hard drive in MacBook. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So what we need in order to erase the hard drive is disk utility. So you can find your disk utility right down there at the docks, right over here. Just find Launchpad right there. Just go ahead and open it. Once you're here, you can see multiple apps right there. And right next to system settings, you have this option of other. Let's go ahead and tap here. Now you have shortcuts, QuickTime Player, text edit, time machine, migration assistant, terminal. You need to search for disk utility, which is right over here. Let's go ahead and open it. And you should see something like this. You can find all of your drives right there. So these are the internal ones, as it says it right here. So if you have connected an external one, you should see it right under it. So it's really easy. Just select the hard drive you want to erase. And after you've done so, I'm not actually connected an external hard drive, but I can still show you the steps. So let's say this is the one. Just go ahead and choose it, and once you're here, you need to focus right there. So you have options like first state, partition, erase, restore, unmount, and many more. What you need to focus on is erase. Just go ahead and tap on this button right here, erase, and this will help you erase the hard drive from your MacBook. So that's all there is to it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video.